Hi everyone, welcome back to Algebra 2 Easy and Happy New Year. Today we're going to talk about operations with imaginary numbers. And all imaginary number operations can be completed using your calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is change our mode. So I want you to press second and then mode. And if you scroll down to where it says real, we want imaginary values. So we want our calculator to be able to calculate a plus bi form, which is technically a complex number. So we're going to press enter. And all that should happen is this black box is highlighted. And now we're going to press second and quit. So if you look up at the top, we have a plus bi, which tells you your calculator is going to work in complex numbers. Before we go any further, let's make sure we know where I is located. I is located at the decimal point, and notice it's in blue. So you're going to press second, and then the decimal point, and then you have I. If you press enter, it's going to say your answer is I. But let's say I have I to the third power. I to the third is negative I. Let's try I squared. And notice our answer is negative 1 plus 0i. Well, what that's telling you is that your real number is negative 1 and your imaginary number is 0. So I squared is negative 1 plus 0i, or just negative 1. Let's try I to the fourth. I to the fourth, 1 plus 0i. So I squared is negative 1 and I to the fourth is positive 1. And this is a quick trick that you can use if you need to simplify something larger. This shows up on the ACT all the time, and just knowing how to put your calculator in the right mode will do all the heavy lifting for you. So let's say we have I to the 57th power. And there's our answer, I. And you can do this with I raised to any power. Now let's try some operations. So for instance, let's say we want to multiply. So we'll have negative 3 times negative 4i times 5i. So again, because our calculator is in the a plus bi mode, we can type this exactly as we see it in a problem, press enter, and there's our answer, negative 60 plus 0i, which we know is just negative 60. Let's try another one. 4i minus 6i, negative 2i. So the biggest takeaway from today's video is when you press second and then mode and going down to where it says real and changing your calculator to a plus bi mode. See you back tomorrow for another video on imaginary numbers. Bye.